Welcome back to ABS Tech channel. Hope you're fine now. In this video, I'm going to show you the live price prediction of Tron TRX crypto in a cryptocurrency markets. What's the price change occur in a Tron? What's the price of current of TRX crypto at this time? So before starting this video, please hit the subscribe button. Complete my 3K subscriber. I need your support. Please support me. Now let's see what's the price prediction of Tron TRX crypto in the previous last 1 hour and the last 2 hours. Let's see the price prediction of Tron TRX crypto. So first of all, we see the last 1 hour result. As you can see now on the screen, the last 1 hour result tell us that they are in the falls. As you can see here, TRX crypto is the last 1 hour is in the falls, falling down in the last 1 hour, as you can see on the screen. As you can see here, the changes is in about negative 1.6% occur in the TRX crypto, as you can see here, and the high price of TRX crypto is $0.067243. Dollar is the high price of TRX crypto in the last 1 hour. So that's a live price prediction. Live price change occur in the last 1 hour of TRX crypto. Now let's see the 2 hour result of TRX crypto in the previous. As you can see here, good news that there is a good news for all TRX holders. As you can see here, if we see this time, they now currently they are start jumping. It's ready for jumping, as you can see here, ready for pumping, as you can see here. So and in the last 2 hour result of the TRX crypto, the changes is in negative because they falls at this time, as you can see. That is why they are in negative. So the changes is negative 0.23% occur in the TRX crypto in the previous 2 hour, and the high price of TRX crypto is about $0.067243. Dollar is the high price of XRP Ripple coin in the previous last 2 hour result. So that is the live price prediction of last 1 hour, 2 hour, as you can see now on the screen. So please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for this kind of latest news and updates about cryptocurrency markets.